And wherever you can hear it. Cry of the wild. One of Jimmy's wolves. In the woods. Don't normally get to see him in the woods here. Mate. Going back down to their pen, obviously. Jimmy's wolves back into their pens. They're all going down to the field. Must be feed time. But yeah, they have a chance in the woods. All gone quiet now. Oh no, there's still two more up there. Maybe you can see him. Just over there. Two more there. Obviously they won't feed them till they all get back in the pen. But when the wind's not blowing, I suppose they do let them in the woods at night. There's a lot of being hunted. Alright mate, gonna go and get your dinner, are you? You have a good day. Loads of people come to see you today probably.